Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to make this small little basket here. Now to start with this project, this is made of mixed acrylic and cotton yarn, and for this tutorial I'm going to use the same yarn in two strands, the same color too. Now to start with, make a magic ring and chain 1. 9 half double crochet into the ring. Close up our hole here, close up our magic ring. I want to close it tightly. And then slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet. Now for row 2, chain 1 and 1 half double crochet into the same stitch. And 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. Now 2 half double crochet again into the next stitch. And 2 half double crochet again into the next stitch. So 2 half double crochet on each of these stitches here, but we will stop at the second to the last stitch so I can show you how to complete this row. Now this is the second to the last stitch, and for our last stitch here we are going to make just 1 half double crochet to complete this row. So we have 18 stitches on this row. That's double the number of our row 1, which is 9 stitches. Now for row 3, chain 1, then half double crochet into the same stitch. Another half double crochet into the next stitch, then 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So the pattern is 1 half double crochet, then 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. Again, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, then 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. So continue this again until the second to the last stitch here. Now for the last stitch of this row, I will put 1/2 double crochet into the last stitch here, and then a slip stitch in on top of the first half double crochet. Now for row 4, chain 1 and half double crochet into the same stitch. Now 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch, another 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch, then 2/2 double crochet into the next stitch. Now the pattern is 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch, then 2/2 double crochet into the next stitch. Again, 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch, and 2/2 double crochet into the next stitch. Now continue this pattern until the second to the last stitch of this row. Now for the last stitch here, I'm going to put 1/2 double crochet, then slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet. Now that is the bottom of the basket. Now we're going to start the side of the basket. So we're going to make a chain 1 and then half double crochet into the next stitch, back loop only. Then half double crochet into the next stitch, back loop only. Do this until the last stitch here. Now this is our last stitch. Now just slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet. So the sides of the basket are forming now. So we will just continue this 36 stitches to finish this basket. For row 6, we need to chain 2, then double crochet into the next stitch, and all the way around. We still have to maintain those 36 stitches. Now this is the end stitch here, and 1 double crochet and slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Now for row 7, chain 2. This time we are going to work on the front post and back post of the row 6. And to start with, we will start with a front post double crochet, and then back post double crochet, and front post double crochet, back post double crochet. Just work the front and back double crochet alternately. Now we have the back here. Now we are going to make the front post double crochet, post double crochet. Now we will complete this front post, back post until we have the last stitch here. Okay, now we have our last stitch here, and we are going to make a back post double crochet, and then slip stitch on top of the first double crochet here, which is a front post. Now for the next row, I'm going to chain 1 and then half double crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, and all the stitch around. So we put 1 half double crochet on each stitch, so we still have our 36 stitches when we finish this row. Now to end this row, slip stitch into the top of the first half double crochet. Now I want to make this rim a little bit stronger, so I will make a reverse slip stitch as an edging, or you can do whatever edging you decide. So this is my reverse. So I'm going to make a slip stitch backwards. Oops. So I will do this all around, and I will still have my 36 stitches for this rim. Now I have finished my reverse slip stitch, and this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to cut my yarn and leave some tail for weaving. Okay, I'm going to use my darning needle to weave this tail, so it won't bother me later when I am attaching my handle. Okay, so I have finished weaving my tails. Now we are going to make the handle. The handle is just the easiest and simplest handle. Chain 3 and single crochet on the second chain from the hook. Now single crochet into the last stitch here. Now turn my work and chain 1 and single crochet into the first stitch and single crochet into the next stitch. Turn my work and chain 1 and single crochet each on each stitch. So we are just making 2 single crochets in each row. So I will finish this until I have made a 25 rows of 2 single crochets, and you can make your handle longer or shorter or whatever you want. Just add the number of rows or decrease the number of rows. Turn work. So now I have finished my 25 rows of single crochet for the handle of the basket. I have left some yarn tail here, a long yarn tail here for sewing, and now I'm going to attach my handle into my basket. To attach my handle, I'm going to pick 2 stitches from this side. I'm going to pick this one, and then stitch your handle to whatever kind of stitching you like. Just enough to attach your handle so it would stand up while it is standing on the table. So this is my first stitch on this side, and I will get another 1 stitch here. So I have used 2 stitches on this side. Okay, now this is our finished project, our cute little basket. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video, and hope you like and subscribe for more videos on my channel. Bye bye.